Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Angie, and in today's video, we are going to talk about can you make money in the cleaning industry? And I am here to tell you, yes, you can make a lot of money in the cleaning industry if you want. But if you are new to the cleaning industry, I would start off in residential if you are doing this by yourself. They are the easiest to get, and they're not looking for the big businesses anymore. To be honest, I'm out here doing this every single day, and what I'm hearing is that they would rather have, somebody that's the owner operator come into their homes and clean because they do a better job. They listen more, and then they don't have to worry about somebody different coming into their home um, every time they come to clean. And those are the complaints that I hear a lot. But I will tell you, if you can start getting into uh, residential cleaning, you can honestly charge a little bit more than what the bigger companies are charging because you are their essentially private cleaner. You're the one that's coming in every time that they are due to be cleaned. There's nobody different coming in. So if you're just starting out, consider starting out in residential because they are looking for you. And you can always offer them extra services like laundry service. You can offer a deeper clean to their home. You can offer inside refrigerator cleanings or inside the oven cleanings. I don't, that is not something that you're going to be doing on a regular basis when you're going into these homes. You're just going to be going in and doing maintenance clean. So you can offer all of these other services to the homeowner. You can offer carpet cleaning. Sometimes they need a room painted. If you're into that, you can do that. Yeah, I've been offered so many different, other jobs within the residence because they don't want to hire anybody else to do it. So I would definitely start out with residential, and you can always expand. As your business grows, you can expand into other niches of the cleaning industry. There's move in and move outs. There's commercial and medical facility cleanings. There's carpet cleanings. There's government contracts, but I'd stay away from the government contracts just because they don't really pay much. But I will tell you, the commercial industry is the one that pays the most, but you do wait the longest to get your money. And generally, you do need a crew for that. So, but there's so much money, you guys, that is to be had out there. You have to go out and get it, but it depends on what you're looking for as far as your cleaning, business goes. I am going to insert um, what I have made from my commercial accounts when I was a larger company. So those of you that don't know my story, um, I lost a lot of my accounts when COVID hit. And when they tell you don't put all of your eggs in one basket, that is so true. You don't want to just work with one property management company because that is what happened to me. I worked with one when COVID hit, they allowed someone to come in and underbid me. But that is another thing too. When you want to expand your business into commercial accounts, you do have to reach out to property management companies because that is who owns these accounts. And then you have to bid on them. So, and generally, these commercial accounts do go with the lowest bidder. So just keep that in mind if you are looking to expand into commercial accounts. Now, you could find smaller commercial accounts like, heating and air conditioning places that have offices. Generally, they want to be cleaned either once a week or every 2 weeks. They're kind of like a residential home. We have done many of them. You can look into tech offices. You could look into lawyers' offices that just have a few lawyers and an accountant. Generally, just runs out of small, little offices that you can get into and clean. and those can be very lucrative for you. So you can make as much money in this industry as you want. You just gotta make a plan on how you want to do that. And if you want to grow, growing this business can make you way more than you can ever imagine. But again, it's totally up to you. It depends on your goals with this business and how you, want to grow. So I hope this video helps you guys. I am just telling you everything that I have learned in this industry over the last 12 years. Um, so yeah, if you liked this video or you found it helpful, please leave me a comment. Um, Leave me a comment on other potential videos that you would like to see me make. I am wanting to give good content on this channel. I want to give, you know, some knowledge. I'm trying to get this, content out the best that I can. And I do appreciate you watching. And like I said, if this gave you any value, like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. I am just now starting out this channel and I'm hoping to, give you good content that you would want to watch. And I definitely will be sharing some more of the products that I like to use. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I wanted to show you some of the invoices that I sent when I was doing commercial cleaning. So you can definitely make a lot of money in this industry if you go out there and apply yourself. I'm going to show you that right there, $17,280